What's up guys, it's Megaville Dokadi back here with my 7th video, or my first video on Rubik's Cube.
Oh, balls!
And you see, we have a Rubik's Cube here. This is a speed cube.
But mine's not. Right here.
This is a 3x3. And today I'm going to show you how to solve the...
Ooh, how interesting.
Okay. So let's just say this is mixed up. Like that. And then, so look for the yellow side. The center tells which side it is. It doesn't matter It doesn't matter that the most colors that are on the side are the side it's showing. The center is always the side. Edges.
Right here.
And corners. And then center. So look for the yellow center. And then look for a white edge right here. So the white edge is right here, and the yellow
Japanese flag, dude.
So what do we do in this case? Well, we turn it this way, and then boom. The white edge is up onto the yellow side. Next step, you do the same thing. It's right here already, so you just do this, then do. So what happens if this is right here and you need to bring it right here? It's easy as cake. You do this and then this. But then you're hurting this. So what you want to do is turn this way and then bring it up. Now you see, now it has 3 white edges. So you look on all the sides and there's no white edges left. What does that mean? It's on the bottom. So simply space the bottom towards here. It's already done. You see right here and then here. So you turn it 180 and you're done with the yellow daisies, as what they call it. Next, find the white with the red edge right next to it. See that? You line it up like this with the center. How do you do this? So it's right here. You turn it, and then it's done. Boom. You turn that side 180, and then the next one is already done. So turn it 180. This one has no unsolvable cases, so you don't have to worry. And then the orange one is final, and then oh yeah, he's corner twisting. Next, you see this blue thing up on here on the yellow side? And then the red thing right here. The blue is right here. And then the blue center is right here. So you match this with this. Yeah. And then the red's right here, to the right of the blue. So here's when we need some moves. It'll be down below right now. Okay. R, U prime, R prime. Now if you don't know what these mean, you can always check out my next video so that you can understand. But for now, look at the moves. You can always pause and go back if you want to. So again, this is blue, orange, blue, 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 blue. Got that? But then this is orange this time. So and orange, and as you can see, orange is to the left of blue.
This is
So
also.
what do we do in this case? It's basically the same thing. L prime, U, L. As you can see, this is all lined up. So you see this T? That's what you want, the T. And then next we have an orange with orange already. And then this is green, so look for the green center. It's to the left. So again, you do you do L prime U L. And boom, the orange T is done. See that? And then next one. Now it can't have a yellow like this one. Yeah, it can't have a yellow. On to the next one. Or red and green. Red, red. Green is to the right of red. So you do R, U prime, R prime. And then as you can see, all the T's are done. You weren't supposed to show the 5x5 yet. Okay. Next, look for white corners on the top, like this one. Then the block next to it is a blue, so you line it up with this blue edge. That's the point of making the T. You line it up with this blue edge, then you do a complicated algorithm. It's like this. If it's to the right, or yes, U prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. Wait a minute, did that work? Yep, that worked. As you can see, it went down here. It's perfectly matched. Hey, silence! Okay. And then, yeah. Here. Okay. Next, it's white, white, and green. So, you do the same thing, except I'm going to do it faster now. And I'm not going to face your direction, haha. Okay. But let's just say there's a case where none of them are on the top. Then it's on the bottom. Not like bottom here. That's the ones you already solved. Okay, bottom. Then you do the same thing. Right here. This is to the right, so you already know the algorithm, the same algorithm. And then here, white, red, red. Okay. You already know the algorithm. Now, let's just say it's to the left.
Okay.
Then you, in that case, you do U, L prime, U, L, U, U, L prime, U, and then L. Now, as you can see, it has been moved to the top. And then green is right here, so it lines up. Wait. So, and then you do the same so you do the same left algorithm again. Now, you go to the yellow side. Let's just say it can be like this. It's like this. If it's like this, then you simply just do. You make sure this, you put this in the corner. You put this thing in the top left corner, this thing in the top right, this thing in the top and the bottom right, and this thing in the bottom left. And then you do F, F, okay, F, R, U prime, R prime. Wait a minute, I'm not sure if I'm doing the right algorithm. I'll be right back. Okay, as you can see, we have a straight line across here. That means you can go to the yellow cross, so the algorithm is down below. F, right? Now, and then as you can see, we have a cross. If you don't know what these moves are, then just wait till I make another video, and it'll be about the movements on. Okay. So now the lines, all three are straight. But what if I told you they're not straight? It's like, okay, what if I told you there's only two? The algorithm's down below. And then up here we have a U. Then you keep doing this algorithm. So imagine this as a U. You do this. The algorithm's down below. Right? Now, when you come to a situation like this, look at this one. The yellow is to the right, so it's not this one. So the other one, the yellow is to the left. You put that one, you put that corner right here. Whoa. Right here. And then you do the same algorithm. Now we come to this, where the yellow side solved, and we just need to do the permutation of last layer. If you don't know what it is, you might want to go check out some other videos. And then, so right now, we have another algorithm, right? Now, you solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Now, if you don't understand this tutorial, there's always lots of other tutorials out there. This is a real big interest.